Hi everybody, welcome to Apple Seeds, the teaching farm. My name is Cale, and today we are planting tomatoes. You can see our row, we've got quite a few in already. We've got our crew down there planting. Today on the front here we're planting Sungolds, which are a cherry variety. We have a few other slicers like Cherokee Purple, Big Beef, and then a few paste tomatoes at the end. So we're also planting some companion planting flowers here with our tomatoes. So this is a marigold, and basically the easiest way to describe how this is helpful to plant with the tomatoes is that the bugs that like to eat the tomatoes don't like the smell of the marigold. And the bugs that like to eat the tomatoes also like to eat the nasturtiums. So these will actually get buggy and it'll attract the bugs off of the tomatoes. So companion planting is a great way to make your garden more healthy. It's pretty. These will all make beautiful flowers, and the nasturtium flowers are edible. So how we plant the tomato is we have our hole here. Pull out the soil. Take our plant out of the pot. Pop the root ball into the soil, and it's okay to bury the tomato stalk a little bit. Wherever you bury the tomato stalk, roots will form. This is one of the few plants you can actually do this. If you did this with your peppers or if you're planting trees, you would actually kill the tree or the pepper. So it's pretty simple. Just pack it in like that. We're gonna come back through and trellis these in a minute to make them stand up. But that's our Sungold right there. And how you plant these flowers, very simple. Dig your hole. Pop the flower out of the pot. Loosen the root ball. And then bury it back with soil. Very simple. And finally, we have our nasturtiums. They have tiny little root balls. Get all of our little weeds out of here. Loosen the soil. Make a little hole with your hand and just pop it right in. It stands up. Clean up your little garden area. And so we have a nice bed of tomatoes, marigolds, and nasturtiums. And these will be ready in about a month. And Patch loves them too.